Any business, organization, or institution will agree that on-premises security is key. While it's easy to keep offices and hallways safe, elevators are tricky because of constant mobility. That's why LigoWave offers solutions designed with elevators and mobility in mind. How does it work? An IP camera records real-time video in the elevator. The footage is sent to a LigoWave wireless data transfer device mounted to the roof of the elevator. It forwards the data to another LigoWave device mounted to the elevator shaft ceiling. The receiving device collects and delivers the video to the surveillance room for playback and storage. LigoWave devices can also be mounted to the bottom side. Ensure safety and security in your elevators with LigoWave's DLB series. DLB 214N, 515N, and Echo 5 wireless network devices are built for elevator video surveillance scenarios. Automatic transmit power control adjusts TX power to keep up link stability while the elevator is in motion, ensuring smooth surveillance video streaming. IP Multicast delivers the elevator video stream to multiple surveillance rooms in or outside the premises. Multiple data streams allows for concurrent video, VoIP, and data transfer over the same link, supporting Wi-Fi and elevator communication services on top of video surveillance. Advanced security measures such as AES 128 data encryption and management frame protection make sure nobody tampers with your security network. LigoWave's DLB series fits a variety of elevator surveillance scenarios, including high-rise elevation, office and residential buildings, service elevators, mine shafts. So whatever your elevator security needs are, LigoWave is sure to have you covered.